Goofball. Where's my tongue? I can't feel my tongue. Oh my god! That was a bad prank. Where's my tongue?
Because you were so mean.
You're not even close, buddy. Down more. Yeah, you're not even coming close to blocking your face.
A high five.
Oh.
Where's my tongue? I lost my tongue.
Okay.
Wow.
Poor baby.
Everything's starting to come into focus.
Oh yeah?
This movie's really annoying and I want to watch it bad.
Oh, Chris, you're kind of a fag when you wake up.
Fag all the time.
How's your face feel?
Great. I'm gonna go play trombone.
You hungry? What do you want to eat?
What am I supposed to eat? I don't want to get dry stuff. These are bits. My mouth is really dry. It's a dirty joke, I can't say it.
Go ahead, please do tell it.
Go for it.
Oh, this is my Jake's bomb. My mouth is really dry. Get it?
It looks pretty dry.
Why, you like video games?
I do like video games.
You should play Final Fantasy 11.
You should.
Okay?
Okay.
You guys just said that, are you?
Nope.
Alright.
You gonna hold me to that?
Hell yeah. I'm fighting this anesthetic.
So what else are you planning on doing today now that you're completely zombie?
I don't know. I think I have to do a suit. I have to do a suit.
You gotta go drive down to St. Louis and pick up Andy?
I was thinking it was a week
I feel more and more awake. Oh my god, where's my tongue? Where's my tongue? Where's my tongue? Where's my tongue?
Okay. Did you find it?
Okay. How's he doing?
He's
Jerk when he wakes up.
He's doing
Where's
good.
my tongue?
He's making fun of me. It's
Is
okay.
it?
Yeah.
So he's back to normal?
Right.
Pretty much.
I've got gauze for you to take home and our instruction sheet. We want you to leave the gauze in for about an hour.